campers. We are rolling. We just picked up some fuel at the Loves. It's our second partial fuel stop in the last 24 hours. We also picked up 50 gallons in Salinas at the Pilot there, which was way more expensive than the one here. But here the fuel is, this is basically the cheapest fuel stop between where we picked up and real actual, like,
19 miles ahead, stay on California 46 East as California 43 splits off.
And real actual, like, not expensive fuel in Arizona. Like, look at that, $4 for diesel there. That's what we paid at the, we must have gotten a heck of a discount, because it says $4 on the, it's $4 on the Love sign, too, and we totally just paid, like, $3 something for it. Give me green. This road, 46, to cut over to Highway 99. 99 will take us down to Bakersfield, and we'll pick up 58 there. We could go across, we could go down I-5 and then take 58 across the gap between 5 and 99, but no, sorry. We could use 58 to go across that gap, but this one, 46, actually has a lot fewer stoplights. Because 58 goes through like a big chunk of Bakersfield before you get to 99. And there's a lot of stoplights and a lot of turning traffic on that bit of road. This is basically just a straight shot with one little tiny town in the middle of it. So we get to open up the throttle and floor it across the central part of the state. From one side of the Central Valley to the other. From the West Side Freeway to the Golden State Freeway. Okay, this is probably the most dangerous interchange that we will deal with today.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on ramp to California 99 South.
Makes it extra dangerous until they're done, but you know how that goes. Alright, so that's the ramp right there. Okay, so this is a tight ramp
0.1 mile ahead
to a fast road
on California 99 South.
Actually, this is already way better. This is already so much better. Like, just, it's so much shallower of a turn than it used to be.
20.2 miles ahead, take exit 24 to ramp to California 58 East.
This used to effectively be a right in, right out interchange onto 99. We got up to 45 before we had to merge there. Last time I did that, we merged at like 30. Sweet. That wasn't bad at all. Yeah, no, if they managed to make that like a really good quality interchange, that decrease the travel time. And the danger of using that is the cut through between 5 and 99. Windy up here. I don't think I've ever seen this many windmills in one place. That's incredible. The whole ridgeline is just covered in them on both sides. That's amazing. We are on Highway 58, just climbed up from Bakersfield. You guys did not catch it. It was in the gap between the two clips I recorded. A truck going down the grade smoked his brakes and it went flying past us. So that was fun. Hopefully he made it to the bottom, but I don't know, and I don't think I want to know. So yeah, that's a dangerous grade. That's a very long, pretty steep grade, and PTL truck just did not manage his brakes properly. That's a scary thing to see in an out-of-control truck. He was pretty close to the bottom when he passed me, though, so maybe he made it. I hope he made it. Speaking of dangerous downgrades, so part of the reason that we are going to stick to I-40 and I-25 on this run is that there's a very dangerous grade on US 160 called Wolf Creek Summit, and I'm not super keen on doing that for the first time, loaded as heavy as we are. I think the road looks pretty good overall, so at some point we've got like a nice half weight load or maybe 3/4 weight load, we might give that route a shot just to see how it is. But I'm not super keen on my first trip over Wolf Creek being with 40K in the box. So yeah, we're definitely going to stick to I-40. Plus, there's not really anywhere to fuel on 160, at least not for us. There's fuel stops, but they're not in Prime's network. So if we don't, like, our next fuel stop is on I-40 in eastern Arizona, past the point where we would split off if we were going up to 160. So yeah, not gonna happen. I don't know what kind of downgrade there is on 58 into Mojave. We might just be up at the level we need. It might not be much of a downgrade. I hope it's not, but We're gonna take it seriously, that's for sure. Winslow, Arizona. Yes, from the song. There's a Flying J here with a Denny's and apparently a Sonic somewhere nearby, which has me intrigued. I mean, that's, if it's within walking distance, that has absolutely changed our dinner plans. But no, we're just going to go straight in, grab a parking spot, fuel up in the morning when we leave. That way we don't waste any time off of our 70. So you just want to, like, it's going to be busier right now than it will be when we leave
0.3 miles
tomorrow
ahead,
morning.
take exit 255 and then turn right on I-40 Business East.
It's a little breezy. If you couldn't tell from the wibbliness of the truck. Where's the Sonic? I don't see it.
Miles ahead, turn right on I-40 Business East, then turn left.
Both apparently to the right somewhere? I still don't see the Sonic. I feel I've been lied to. I suspect I have been lied to. There's no Sonic here.
400 feet ahead, turn right on I-40 Business East, then turn left.
That's fine. I'm okay with Denny's. I was expecting Denny's. I just got my hopes up there for a minute. Seeing Sonic on the sign. It must be like just inside town or something. Got some squeaky brakes, Mr. Maxwell.
$350 feet ahead, turn left on Truck Access Road.
Yeah, no, I don't see a Sonic anywhere. See a BNSF train entering frame. That's just like 8 locomotives all chained together and no cars.
Flying J number 612, 400 Transcon Lane.
That's interesting. Let's go grab ourselves a parking spot. We'll grab our fuel in the morning. It actually looks a little bit packed already. has an easy parking spot for me.
250 feet ahead, turn right, then turn right.
This place is a little tight. I will accept pull through, maybe? Or, actually... Oh, that's a dumpster. Oh, is this a spot?
It's a spot that's nice and easy right now that won't be later, so let's just grab that. 200 feet ahead, turn right, then turn left.
This is going to be where we park for the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's MacLeod, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe, or come say hi on Twitter at MacLeod, no apostrophe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.